Hi, LAPU students, staff, and faculty. My name is Megan Jones, and I'm the Accessible Education Manager at LAPU. On behalf of myself and the entire e-learning team, we are so excited to launch a new incredible accessibility tool right into your courses. It's called ReadSpeaker. You will notice now on the right margin of every page in your courses, there's an area that says listen to this page using ReadSpeaker. Just underneath it, you'll find the Listen toolbar, and by clicking on it, you'll activate text-to-speech reading with synchronized highlighting of every piece of text on your course pages. Let me demonstrate it here.
My dashboard. View dashboard.
On the left-hand side of the ReadSpeaker toolbar, you'll notice a button with 3 horizontal lines. By clicking on it, this will open up the full toolbar for the ReadSpeaker web reader. Please check out all of the tools and features available. There are so many, but by clicking on the gear symbol, this will allow you to customize all of your personal settings you would like for your text-to-speech reading experience. You can select those and save them. Another way to activate this tool is to highlight a specific block of text that you'd like to have read aloud. I'll highlight it and click Listen here.
Welcome to the story. This class is all about how Exodus and Deuteronomy fit within the overarching story of God's work throughout history.
You also may have noticed that as you highlight text, not only is listening available, but a dictionary tool and translation into multiple languages. Another feature of ReadSpeaker is where documents are embedded into your courses. You will see next to those documents a small icon with a piece of paper and a speaker symbol. When you see that, you can click on it here, and this will open up that document in the ReadSpeaker document reader, where you can activate these same text-to-speech tools in the document reader. The last component of ReadSpeaker is available in the Support Resources folder of every class. You will see a link to TextAid by ReadSpeaker. By clicking there, this will open up the TextAid tool, which will allow you to use the library to upload outside documents of your choice for text-to-speech reading. You can also use this for web reading for outside web pages. Don't forget about our course helps. By clicking on Course Helps here, you will see that an entire instructional page has been devoted to ReadSpeaker, where you'll find a series of tutorial videos and a whole bunch of information to walk you through how to use every feature available for you with step-by-step instructions. It will also highlight all of the benefits of text-to-speech reading. Please check it out today and happy reading.